Here the babies are. It's Sunday. How many did you say she has, Bevy?
Nope, she got 12.
Okay, she still has the 12. So that's good.
Look at you
Oh my God, look. They eating the corn.
Look at you guys.
Oh my goodness.
Come on, you two. Did you have to come over?
Mama duck.
Come on, let the babies come over. Hey, Tappy.
Willie.
I don't think it's Willie, is it? Willie, Wilma, come on. Out of there. Come on, Mama Dad. Quack, 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 quack.
Okay, see you guys.
Quack, quack, quack. See, now I'm pissed off.
No, don't. I'm,
Tappy.
see, Bevy's right here. Babies are right there.
They work 2 feet closer.
They
but
work closer, but
Tappy's an asshole. Tappy.
this one gets jealous.
Tappy. Tappy, get the fuck out of there now. Right now. Get your ass over there. Now. You son of a bitch. Yeah, I fucking thought so. Come on, Mama Duck.
Come on, Mama Duck.
Over this way. Come on, Mama Duck. Bring the babies.
Eyebrow,
Mama Love.
get away.
Eyebrow.
Go.
Come on, Mama Love.
Alright. There's too much
Oh, what a
geese
good
here today.
girl.
Okay, now we have all the geese out the way. Look how
Hi,
close.
Mama. You're doing
How
such a good
close
job
they
keeping
are.
them all alive.
Eating the cord. Oh my
We're on
goodness.
day 4 and we still
Yeah.
have 12.
Yeah, that's awesome job, Mama Duck. Oh my God. Look at that beak. Look how little.
Oh my God, they're little peepees.
Yeah. Alright, see you guys.
Hey guys, there's Caddy. And look who's right behind Caddy. Mom and the babies. Hi, Mama. Go ahead, you can take a nap now.
Okay, Mama.
Oh my goodness. Look at how cute. I think they all want to take naps.